Hey everyone, and welcome to Addicted to Stocks. In this video, I would like to share you how you can lower your trading commissions at interactive brokers, or how you could avoid the minimum trading commissions and save a lot of money over time if you trade consistently. Now, this will apply to US stocks and US options only. Keep in mind that this doesn't apply to US futures or forex trading. Now, for this, we have to open the trader workstation and we have to understand the routing system of interactive brokers. When you open an order, it will be transmitted to an exchange where you get filled. Now, keep in mind that these exchanges are in competition with each other because they need liquidity to get the best bid and ask spreads. Therefore, some of them will offer rebates, which in turn, interactive brokers will send them back to the customers, hence to you, and hence the commissions will be much lower because you get this rebate. As far as I know, Interactive Brokers is the only broker that provides this. If you know another one, feel free to write it in the comment section. So now, in my experiences, these rebates will only be routed if you fill your order at the current market price, therefore providing liquidity. When I'm already a couple of cents further away in liquid options, I experience usually that these rebates won't apply anymore. Again, these are just what I learned so far, what I experienced. Now, now here I want to show you what prices I'll get at the moment. Now, for option trades, I noticed that Emerald clears most of my orders right now, and I'll pay around 61 cents. Before in 2018, it used to be CBOE2 were paid 67 cents, but it changed this year that Emerald, I guess, offers higher rebates. With bats, I feel like they provide the highest rebates overall, and they're more active in illiquid names. You could see that if you open already 2 positions, you get already paid around 10 to 11, 12 cents. And I know this might kind of sound strange, but interactive brokers actually pays you for opening positions if you do it with bats. For stock trades, it depends where I'll get filled, but most of the time it was Mercury or Philadelphia Exchange with prices around 30 to 35 cents if you trade less than 100 shares. Okay, so now I want to show you how you can configure that and where you will receive the highest rebates with your orders. Now, once we have opened Trader Workstation in the classic view, we have to go on Configuration and then on Orders. Now we have to go on Smart Routing, and basically here you see that it explains you the whole routing system again. Now, at the top view here, you can see that this applies for the stocks. And again, you can choose here different types of routing programs. For instance, Maximize Fill is a prioritization which or where your orders are getting filled at once. There are also some other ways, for instance, like a kind of an in-betweener is like prefer rebate, where as the name implies, you prioritize the rebate. However, you also wish that your order will get filled at once with all the positions at the same time. Now, in my experience for retail trailers, I highly recommend having the max rebate program, since we have such a low trading volume with our positions as retail traders that we don't need to bother so much to get filled. Again, this is up to everyone and you can customize it as you want. Now, make sure that you press both buttons on maximize rebate for stocks and options, and then you're pretty much good to go for paying much less commissions. I hope that helped you guys, and I would appreciate a like or a sub. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye.